What's the meaning of Alexandra Palace? Alexandra Palace. Alexandra Palace. Alexandra Palace. Alexandra Palace. Alexandra Palace.
Alexandra Palace is a historic entertainment and exhibition venue located in London, England. It was originally opened in 1873 as the Palace of the People, and has since hosted a wide variety of events including concerts, exhibitions, and sports matches. The building is surrounded by a large park and provides panoramic views of the city. Over the years, Alexandra Palace has become an important cultural icon and a popular destination for locals and tourists alike.